You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this number in English. British English pronunciation and American English pronunciations are similar. If you want to learn more pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from how to pronounce 300,000 thousands 300,000 as a number. English pronunciation 300,000. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.